Namaste and welcome. Today we will explore the divine beauty and profound wisdom of the Lalitha Sahasranama, one of the most sacred hymns dedicated to the Divine Mother. The Lalitha Sahasranama contains 1000 names of Goddess Lalita Tripura Sundari, each name revealing a unique aspect of the cosmic feminine energy. For centuries, devotees have chanted these sacred names to seek peace, protection, prosperity, and spiritual awakening. But beyond devotion, these names contain deep philosophical meaning about the nature of the universe and the nature of our own consciousness. In this video, we will explore a few powerful names from the Lalitha Sahasranama and understand their deeper spiritual meaning. Origin of Lalitha Sahasranama. The Lalitha Sahasranama appears in the ancient scripture known as the Brahmana Purana. The hymn is revealed through a divine dialogue between sage Agastya and Lord Hayagriva, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu known for his divine wisdom. Sage Agastya asks Hayagriva to reveal the secret method to worship the Supreme Divine Mother. In response, Hayagriva explains the glory of Goddess Lalita and reveals the 1000 sacred names that describe her infinite power and compassion. Each name is not merely a title. It is a mantra, a vibration that connects the devotee with the divine presence. What Lalitha Sahasranama represents. The Lalitha Sahasranama represents the supreme feminine power that creates, sustains, and transforms the universe. In the tradition of Shakti worship, the Divine Mother is seen as the ultimate source of all energy. She is both the creator and the creation. She is the cosmic intelligence that governs the universe. The 1000 names describe her beauty, wisdom, compassion, and limitless power. When we chant these names, we are not only praising the goddess. We are also awakening the divine energy within ourselves. Each name describes divine energy, cosmic power, spiritual wisdom. The sacred Shri Chakra glowing with cosmic energy. Chanting Lalitha Sahasranama brings peace, prosperity and spiritual awakening. Let us explore some powerful names and their deeper meanings. The Lalitha Sahasranama begins with 3 powerful names. Shri Mata, Shri Maharajni, Shri Mat Simhasaneshwari. Shri Mata means the Divine Mother. She is the mother of the entire universe. Just as a mother nourishes and protects her child, the Divine Mother nurtures every being in existence. The next name is Shri Maharajni, which means the Supreme Queen. This name reminds us that the universe is not random or chaotic. It is governed by divine intelligence and cosmic order. The third name is Shri Mat Simhasaneshwari. This means the goddess who sits upon the divine throne. This throne represents the seat of ultimate consciousness. It symbolizes her supreme authority over the universe. Together, these 3 names describe the goddess as the loving mother, the supreme ruler, and the embodiment of divine consciousness. Goddess born from divine consciousness. Another powerful name is Chidagni Kunda Sambhut. This name means the goddess who emerges from the sacred fire of pure consciousness. In spiritual philosophy, consciousness is the source of all existence. Everything in the universe arises from this infinite awareness. The goddess represents this divine consciousness itself. The next name is Devkarya Samudyata. This means the one who manifests for the purpose of protecting the divine order of the universe. Whenever negativity and imbalance arise in the world, the divine energy appears to restore harmony and righteousness. This reminds us that the universe always moves toward balance and harmony. The Divine Mother protects and guides creation. Symbol of ultimate spiritual energy. The next name is Devkarya Samudyata. This means the one who manifests for the purpose of protecting the divine order of the universe. Whenever negativity and imbalance arise in the world, the divine energy appears to restore harmony and righteousness. This reminds us that the universe always moves toward balance and harmony. The Divine Mother protects and guides creation. The goddess manifests whenever dharma is threatened. The radiant cosmic power, another beautiful name in the Lalita Sahasranama, is Udyat Bhanu Sahasrabha. This means the goddess who shines with the brilliance of 1,000 rising suns. This description represents divine illumination. Just as the sun removes darkness from the world, spiritual knowledge removes ignorance from our minds. Symbol of supreme spiritual illumination. The next name is Chaturbahu Samanvita. This means the goddess with 4 arms. In Hindu symbolism, the 4 arms represent different aspects of human existence. They represent the mind, intellect, ego, and consciousness. By holding these symbols, the goddess reminds us that she governs the inner and outer universe. She is present in every aspect of life. These symbolize mind, ego, intellect and consciousness. The phrase Rag Swarupa Pasadya appears in the Lalita Sahasranama. It is one of the divine names of goddess Lalita Tripura Sundari. Let's break the Sanskrit meaning clearly. Word by word meaning 1. Rag, attachment, love, desire or affection toward devotees. 2. Swarup, true nature. Essential form. 3. Pasa, pash, noose or robe. Symbolic weapon used by the goddess. 4. Adhya, Arya, endowed with. Possessing combined meaning, Rag Swarupa Pasadya means, ungli se dahini or ishara, the goddess whose nature is love, attachment and who holds the noose representing that love. Deeper spiritual meaning. In Sri Vidya philosophy, the noose, pasa, held by the goddess represents divine love that binds devotees to God. The power that attracts the soul toward the divine control over human attachments and desires. So this name teaches that, one Lalita Devi binds devotees with the rope of divine love and compassion. Instead of worldly attachment, she pulls the soul towards spiritual realization. Checkmark simple meaning, the Divine Mother who embodies love and holds the noose that draws devotees toward her. The name, Krodhakarankusojwala, is another sacred name from the Lalita Sahasranama describing Lalita Tripura Sundari. Word by word meaning 1. Krodha, krodh, anger or righteous wrath. 2. Akar, form or manifestation. 3. Ankush, elephant goad, a hooked instrument used to control an elephant. 4. Ujjwala, shining, radiant, brilliant. The name, Manorupekshu Kodanda, is another sacred name from the Lalita Sahasranama referring to Lalita Tripura Sundari. Word by word meaning 1. Manas, Manas, mind 2. Rupa, Roop, form or nature. 3. Ikshu, sugarcane 4. Kodan, bow combined meaning ungli se dahini or ishara, she whose bow is the sugarcane and whose form represents the mind. Or more clearly, 1. The goddess who holds a sugarcane bow symbolizing the mind. Deeper spiritual meaning. In the iconography of Lalita Devi, sugarcane bow, Ikshu Kodanda, represents the human mind. The mind is sweet like sugarcane but also powerful and difficult to control. This name teaches that, cherry blossom the Divine Mother controls and governs the mind of all beings. Just as a bow directs arrows toward a target, the mind directs the senses and actions. Lalita Devi holds this bow, meaning she is the controller of the mind itself. Checkmark simple meaning, the Divine Mother whose sugarcane bow symbolizes the mind. The next name is Panka Tanmatra Sayaka, from the Lalita Sahasranama describing Lalita Tripura Sundari. Word by word meaning 1. Panka, punch, 5-2. Tanmatra, the 5 subtle elements that correspond to the senses. These are sound, sabda, touch, spasa, form, vision, rupa, taste, rasa, smell, gandha. 3. Sayak, arrows combined meaning ungli se dahini or ishara, the goddess who has 5 arrows representing the 5 subtle sensory elements. Or simply, 1. She who uses 5 arrows symbolizing the 5 senses. Deeper spiritual meaning. In the form of Lalita Devi, sugarcane bow the mind. 5 flower arrows the 5 senses. The arrows represent cherry blossom sound, cherry blossom touch, cherry blossom sight, cherry blossom taste, cherry blossom smell. This teaches that the mind, bow, directs the 5 senses, arrows. The Divine Mother controls both the mind and senses of all beings. It also symbolizes that the universe is created and experienced through these 5 subtle elements. Checkmark simple meaning, the Divine Mother whose 5 arrows represent the 5 senses or subtle elements. Chanting the sacred names creates powerful spiritual vibrations. Benefits of chanting. For thousands of years, devotees have chanted the Lalita Sahasranama as a powerful spiritual practice. It is believed that chanting these sacred names removes negativity and obstacles. It brings peace to the mind and harmony to life. More importantly, it deepens our connection with the divine presence within us. The vibration of these sacred names creates a powerful spiritual atmosphere that uplifts both the individual and the surroundings. brings prosperity and divine protection. Daily chanting deepens spiritual connection. Om Shri Lalatambike Namah. The Lalita Sahasranama is not just a hymn. It is a spiritual map that reveals the nature of divine consciousness. Each name describes a different aspect of the infinite power and compassion of the Divine Mother. By chanting and understanding these sacred names, we slowly awaken the divine energy within ourselves. May the blessings of the Divine Mother bring peace, wisdom, and prosperity into your life. Om Shri Lalitambikai Namaha.